In this video, we are going to see about networking devices. So, network devices, nothing but is hardware which are involved in the network is a network device and is used to transfer the data fast, secure, and in a correct way with some specific functionality over the different or same networks. Few devices are pre-installed in a computers like internal modem, network interface card, and RJ45 connector. Everything is for installed on the board. And we are going to see network devices. Few devices. They are modem, hub, switch, repeater, gateway, bridge, router. Modems expansion is modulator and demodulator. So it is connect and communicate that between the two computers through the telephone line. See the diagram. Source on computer, destination on computers. Both are connected with the modem. So the first computer sends the data actually in a digital format. It will be converted into analog signal format through the modem. At the receiver side computer also there is one modem. It will receive the analog signal and convert it into digital signal and give to the destination computer. The data only transmitted in the signal format. So modem has a two process, modulation and demodulations. So modulation means converting the digital data to analog signal from the center side. That is a modulation. And demodulations means opposite. They convert that analog digital to digital data in the receiver side. And modem has the two types, internal modem and external modem. It is used to send the fax, and through the net connections we can see the news, we send the mail and watch video. Next device, hub. Hub is a basic networking device used to connect the more computers. See the diagram, hub, like that computers you can connect. And hub is also called concentrator. So connect all the cables from the workstations, peripherals and servers. Peripherals means I/O devices, and it support 8, 12, 24 RJ45 ports also. There are two types of hub: active hub, basic hub, active passive hub. So hub has the repeater means it is active. Hub doesn't have that repeater mean it is a passive. And active hub workers so amplify the signal from one device to another device. And passive hub pass the signal without any amplification, just to pass the signal from one device to another device without amplifying. Active only amplify. And the difference between the active and passive hub. Passive hub only that copy the signals from one source to destinations, and active cannot copy only, it amplify also. And active hub is very smarter, more smarter than passive. And passive just a connector only. Okay, you just connect wires coming from other devices, just is pass the signals only. Passive hub. And active hub need electricity because amplify the signals in electricity, but passive hubs not required. And active hub has repeater, multi-point, and see how that hub also somehow two types based on that port, two types, Ethernet hub and USB hub, combo hub. Ethernet hubs hub, all ports have that 45 RJ45 connectors, and USB hub combo, it has a different type of connectors. Anything we can connect, like USB port, we can connect anything. That's a combo hub. Ethernet hub means only it support that RJ45 connect. How hub will work. So whatever comes in the hub, it will pass to all the computers. See here example, see the picture. So the message comes for the computer A. There are few computers connected, but message comes for that A. But the hub will send to the all the devices A, B, C. All also receive that what comes in are all received, and after A response message, because A the message comes for only A, so afterwards A responds to the hub also. The response also go to that every port on the hub. It's not to the particularly one. It will response also received from that all the devices, and then only next it will go to that the sender. And next one is switch. Switch also like a hub only, but it's an intelligent hub. We can say it's an intelligent hub. Here also more than one conversations we can connect, and it will receive and process forward data and the right in a packet format. It will forward to that. It is support 4, 8, 12, 24 up to 64 ports. Hub limited 12, here it connected up to 64 ports can connect. So hub switch use this on a specific circuit for switching that decisions, that is transfer the data by using that circuit ASICS, that is application specific and it is used to segment network into different subnetworks. One network to another one it will be passed. Why we can say switch is a intelligent hub? Because of that its decision capability. It's the switch device send the signals to the particular reception one. So that's why it's called a intelligent hub. Because hub send that message to all the computers which are connected in the hub, but switch send to only the how the switch work. Switch actually establishes the temporary connections between source and destination. After process over, it will be terminated. See the picture. See here, computers are connected in the switch, and there's a message for computer A has come. So first, actually, switch it will be pass the message to that all the ports, and then it will identify where that the center of the message is located, as well as after that receiving the message by all the ports, the particular A alone responds the message. So it will get the response only from that A, and it will be passed to that originator. Others are disconnected, it not connected.